Does the name Christopher Columbus ring a bell? Well, it should. Most of us learned in school that this Italian explorer set sail in 1492 with a daring ambition to prove the Earth was round. But what if that's not the truth? What if history once again has been twisted to create a more compelling narrative? Contrary to popular belief, Columbus didn't set out to prove the Earth was round. That's right, the idea of a spherical Earth wasn't a novel concept in the 15th century. In fact, it was ancient news. The ancient Greeks had already deduced that the Earth was round over 1,000 years before Columbus. The philosopher Pythagoras first proposed a spherical Earth in the 6th century BC, and Aristotle confirmed it 2 centuries later with observational evidence. The myth that Columbus challenged a flat Earth belief probably sprang from Washington Irving's embellished biography, The Life and Voyages of Christopher Columbus, published in 1828. The book, a mix of fact and fiction, popularized the idea that Columbus faced opposition from flat Earth believers, when in reality, his critics were more concerned about the length of the voyage, not the shape of the Earth. Now, let's rewind to the year 1492. Columbus, an ambitious explorer, believed he could reach Asia by sailing west from Europe. This was a novel idea at the time, as the common route to Asia was eastward around Africa. His proposal caught the attention of the Spanish monarchs Ferdinand and Isabella, who agreed to fund his voyage. Columbus set sail with 3 ships, the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina, on August 3, 1492, from Palos, Spain. After more than 2 months at sea, land was sighted on October 12th. Columbus believed he had reached the Indies, hence why he referred to the native inhabitants as Indians. However, he had actually landed in what we now know as the Bahamas. The explorer made a total of 4 voyages to the New World, each time believing he had reached Asia. It wasn't until his 3rd voyage that he began to suspect he had discovered a new continent. Let's recap. The common misconception that Columbus set out to prove the Earth was round is a myth, likely popularized by an embellished biography. The reality is that the concept of a round Earth was widely accepted in Columbus's time. His real ambition was to find a westward route to Asia, which led him to unintentionally discover the New World. This tale of Columbus serves as a reminder that history isn't always as straightforward as it seems. It's essential to question and investigate the stories we've been told, as the truth often lies beneath layers of myth and misconception.